Welcome back. So far, we've only saved simple strings to files. But what if you have a complex Python object, like a nested list or a custom class instance, and you need to save its entire structure to a file? Manually converting it to text is difficult. The solution is pickling, which is Python's term for serialization. 1. What is pickling? Pickling is the process of converting a Python object hierarchy into a byte stream, which can then be written to a file. This byte stream represents the object state in a way that Python can later use to perfectly reconstruct the original object in memory. 2. Using pickle.dump parenthesis to save objects. We first import the pickle module. When pickling, you must always open the file in binary write mode, specified by WB. The B is crucial because pickle data is raw bytes, not readable text. We call pickle.dump, passing the Python object, our dictionary data underscore object, and the file object. The entire dictionary structure is immediately converted and written to the file. 3. Binary versus text files. If you tried to open the resulting user underscore data.pkl file in a text editor, you would see a stream of unreadable characters. This is the difference between text files, which use readable characters, and binary files, which store raw bytes optimized for machine processing. Pickled files are binary. To summarize, you can now save any list, dictionary, or instance of a custom class instantly. Our next lecture 23.07 on Pickle. See you there.